Application of derivative eta numerical problem loisu. Questionot dia ase the total revenue function of a firm is TR equals 12Q minus 3Q squared. Amak koise find the slope of the marginal revenue MR curve. Total revenue function dia ase aro tar pora uliabo lage marginal revenue functionor slope ki hobo. Ami jano je kiba eta functionor jodi slope uliabo lage hey function tuk differentiate koribo lage. That means ami jodi slope of MR uliabo lage MR functionok ami differentiate koribo lagibo. Therefore, slope of MR uliabor babe amak lagibo MR function. But amak questionot dia ase TR function. So TR functionor pora prothomote ami MR function tu uliai lobo lagibo. TR or pora MR kenadore uliam. Ami jodi MR function uliabo lage tene hole TR functionok differentiate koribo lagibo. That means MR is equal to the derivative of TR function. Karon total functionok differentiate korile ki pai marginal function pai. So prothomote MR uliai loisu equals d by dq TR. TR or thait ekhini likhi dia 12Q minus 3Q squared. Derivative of 12Q kiman 12 then minus 3Q squared yar derivative with respect to Q kiman hobo je 6Q. So ami marginal revenue function to palo. Etia uliam slope of MR. Therefore, slope of marginal revenue is equal to marginal revenue slope uliale ami korim ki je marginal revenue function tuk differentiate korim. So MR function tuk differentiate korim with respect to Q. So d by dq MR mane kiman palo 12 minus 6Q. Yak differentiate korile kiman pam 12 or derivative 0 then minus 6Q derivative kiman 6. Therefore, slope of MR kiman palo je minus 6. Etu ise amar final answer. Thank you.